Hello student, now we will discuss the program of hexa to decimal conversion by using assembly level language program. Here we already written the program for conversion of hexa to decimal value. How we are going to convert hexa to decimal? We are going to take some hexa value. That hexa value we are going to divide by 10. After dividing that hexa value by 10, we will get the remainder. That remainder we keep on storing the registers of the 8051 microcontroller. So here already I have written the program for the hexadecimal program. Now we are going to switch into the debug mode here. Now we switch it into the debug mode. Before executing the program, let us discuss what are the registers we used in our program here. In our program, we used registers A and B. The value of register A and B is initially it is 0, 0. And along with that, we are using the registers R0, R1 and R2 register. The initial value of R0, R1 and R2 is 0 here. And now come to the programming part. As I already told, we need to take some input values, data value in the hexa. Here we are using the instruction called move a, A9H. This is the hexa value I am going to store into the accumulator. So after execution, the A becomes A9H. And next is I am going to divide this hexa value by 10. The hexa value 10, it is A in A. That A I am going to store into the register B. Before execution B it is 0. After execution becomes 0A. And next we are going to perform divide operation. In the division operation, the quotient it will store into the A register and the remainder it will store into the B register. The A contains quotient and B contains the remainder. And the remainder I am going to store into the R0 register by using instruction called move R0, B. Initially the R0 it is 0. After execution R0 becomes 9. And after that again I am going to copy the 10 into the B register. What is the 10 in the hexa value? That is A. I am going to copy it to your B register. Before execution B it is 9. So after execution the value of register B becomes A. After that, now again I am going to perform the division operation. So initially the A contains the quotient and B contains the remainder. So whenever if I perform division operation, the A contains quotient and B contains the remainder here. So in before execution, the A contains 0x10, that is hexa value, and B contains 0A, that is also hexa value. After execution this code, the A contains quotient and B contains remainder. See, the A becomes 1 and B becomes 6 here. B is the remainder, that is 6, and A is 1, that is quotient. After that, the remainder B I am going to store into the R1 register. Before execution R1 it is 0. After execution the value of R1 becomes 6. And again the quotient value I am going to store into the R2 register. Before execution R2 it is 0. After execution the R2 becomes 1 here. So if I take it as an example as a A9H, if you convert the A9 in the decimal value, that is equivalent to 169. So that is what we stored in the register R0, R1 and R2 register. So this is the program we are going to use to convert the hexa value into decimal value using assembly program in the 8051. And in the next video we will see some more programming part. Thank you.